channel. Today, I'm going to make scrambled egg with tomatoes. It is a very common dish in China. Almost every single family knows how to make it. It's easy, convenient, which can be done in less than 20 minutes. And it tastes delicious. We can eat this with rice or noodles. Let's get started! First, chop up some tomatoes into small pieces. Crack 5 eggs. Beat the egg. Set aside. Slice the green onions. Take out the heads. Prepare a pan and drizzle some oil. And cover the pan until you feel the oil has been heated up. Add green onion. Wait until you can smell the onion smells. That means the onion flavor has been infused into the oil. Then put our tomatoes in. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle over. 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste at home, you can also substitute this with ketchup, which will intensify the tomato flavors in this dish. Our secret ingredient, the hoisin sauce, about 1 tablespoon. The hoisin sauce will give this dish a very fresh seafood flavor. And stir. The reason why we add a lot of ingredient to the tomato, because we want to suck up all the water from the tomato and make it into a soup paste, tomato soup paste. Cut the bigger chunks of tomato into small chunks. If you see the water has been evaporated a little bit, just add a little bit more water. This is tomato paste we want. Set it aside. Now, time to cook our eggs. Pour some oil into the pan and cover the whole bottom. When you feel the oil is getting hot, but not too hot, add the egg to it. Wait until the bottom of this egg has been cooked a little bit and then stir. When we still have some egg liquid here, we pour our tomato paste in. Because we want the egg to soak all the tomato juice into themselves. Add another teaspoon of salt. Since we only added the salt to the tomato paste, we haven't seasoned anything with the egg yet. We need another teaspoon with the egg. If you want a little bit soup to this dish, you can always add water. Nothing can go wrong with this, you know. And we're done right now. How easy it is. We used under 20 minutes in making this dish, and we can eat this as our main course. Decorate with some green onion. Let's taste! See? It's very pretty. I usually eat the scrambled egg with tomato with my rice. Take some rice and mix with the egg and tomato. And take a spoonful. Eat! Oh my god! It's insane delicious. The rice absorbs the juice from the egg and tomatoes, and they're just perfect together. The tomato gives this dish a very tangy and sour taste, which doesn't make the egg very oily. Tastes like oily, because sometimes if you cook egg in oil, it can taste a little bit oily, because egg can absorb a lot of oil, you know. But this dish, it balanced out everything. It's perfect. There must be a couple. Egg and tomato must be a couple. A lovely couple. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.